Every investor knows the frustration of being forced to dump what you can, not what you'd like to, during a big sell-off. That forms the bull case for emerging markets in Asia, hurt like their peers by the market ruckus following Donald Trump's US election victory. In this bull theory, the likes of Indonesia, Malaysia and the Philippines have strong fundamentals to tempt investors back in once the dust has settled. The wrinkle in this is politics, and no, not Mr. Trump's unpredictability this time, but more local issues. Malaysia and Indonesia are veterans of the sell what you can phenomenon. Foreigners hold between 35 and 40% of their debt, more than double the level of outsider holdings in Thailand, for example. The relative liquidity of the two also mean they get dumped first. 10-year yields have risen 65 basis points and 58 bips respectively since Mr. Trump's victory. Of the three markets, Indonesia offers the easiest bull case. Economists expect growth to pick up slightly, while the central bank has room to cut interest rates. It also has a reform-minded government with plans to lower the deficit and to broaden its tax base. What's not to like there? Investors hate uncertainty, and they hate uncertain emerging market politics even more. In the case of the Philippines, analysis by Citigroup shows a close link between spurts in equity outflows and controversial remarks by Rodrigo Duterte, the firebrand president. The peso hit 8-year lows on Thursday. For Malaysia, the questions surrounding Prime Minister Najib Razak and his involvement with 1MDB, the scandal-plagued investment fund, are well known, but they show no signs of easing. Against that backdrop, last week's offshore restrictions on currency derivatives risk looking like the first step in reimposing capital controls. That perception is not being helped by the ringgit's fall on Thursday to levels last seen in the 97 to 98 Asian financial crisis, after which the government imposed capital controls. Compared with the uncertainty caused by Mr. Trump's victory, Asia's politics have appeared relatively stable, but Asian investors trying to see past the current volatility need to remember that Mr. Trump is not the only political risk out there.